Well, this morning, Iowa's controversial immigration law is on hold. A federal judge issued a temporary block on that law on Monday. So Local 5's Megan McPherson live outside of the federal courthouse in Des Moines this morning. And Megan, the law is only blocked temporarily, but it can no longer be enforced starting July 1st like originally planned.
Yeah, that's right, Chanu. That ruling made by the judge puts a temporary stop on enforcement of the law. That decision was made at the federal courthouse just behind me here in Des Moines, just 1 week after civil rights groups were here to argue against it. Under the new Iowa law, local law enforcement would be allowed to file criminal charges against people previously deported from or denied entry into the U.S. That means once arrested, migrants could either be subject to deportation by the judge or be prosecuted. Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird expressed disappointment in the judge's decision. In a statement, Bird said in part, quote, "Iowa never would have had to pass this law to begin with if it weren't for Biden's open borders. Rather than suing Iowa for enforcing immigration laws, he should do his duty to secure the border." Activist groups fighting against the law held a press conference of their own Monday, reiterating that they will not be backing down.
This is not over yet. We have not received what we want. We want to stop the law. We want to cancel the law. That's what we want.
And though the block on this law is temporary, we don't currently have a timeline or an estimate as to when a final decision will be made. What we do know, though, is that Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds and Attorney General Brenna Bird both plan to appeal the judge's decision. Live in Des Moines this morning, Megan McPherson, Local 5 News. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Megan. And Governor Reynolds has been a long-time supporter of harsher immigration policies, sending Iowa National Guard troops and sergeants from the Iowa State Patrol to Texas to support Operation Lone Star. Reynolds commented on the court's decision, saying, "With this injunction, states are left defenseless to the ongoing crisis at our southern border. I support Attorney General Bird in appealing this decision."